have been slacking on the fake tan front and it is not doing me any favours. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out a full face of Charlotte Tilbury makeup. I am so excited about this. This was very kindly sent to me in PR, but you guys know I am such a fan of Charlotte Tilbury products. I love the brand so much. I'm super excited to be trying out a whole load of new products that I haven't tried before. My face is currently bothering me, not gonna lie, so shall we put these products to good use? Also, my hair. She's just doing her own thing today, guys. We're letting her live. We're letting her, you know, express herself freely until she comes to the decision that she is making questionable life choices. So I did start off by using Charlotte's Magic Cream. I love this. I've been using it for about a week now, and it's the only product from this box that I have been using because it's skincare and I wanted to try it out so I can let you guys know my thoughts. You guys know I am a fan of my luxury skincare. I do honestly believe it works, and I believe that if you have a clear blank canvas, your makeup just looks so much better. This contains some amazing ingredients. It contains hyaluronic acid, it contains damask rose water, I think, but it definitely contains rose, which I really like in my skincare. I like rose hip seed oil, which this either has rose hip seed oil or just rose hip oil in it, and I love it. You can really smell the rose. It's not overpowering or anything, but it's a really beautiful cream. If you like investing in your skincare, I would totally recommend this. It absorbs so quickly and easily, but it's really nourishing and hydrating. It's SPF 15 and it sits amazingly underneath makeup. So I'm going to start off by using the Wonder Glow. This is an instant soft focus beauty flash primer. It basically just gives you a bit of a glow, which I'm all about, and you can use this underneath your makeup or you can apply it over the top of your foundation if you like. I'm just going to use it as a base. This smells like rose as well. Oh, that smells so nice. It does give your skin an overall glow. I really like that. I use the Hollywood Flawless filter sometimes underneath my makeup, and that is a lot more intense than this. But if you like a really subtle glow, or if you don't wear foundation and you just wear concealer, this would be amazing to wear underneath that. So I don't actually have a Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I didn't want to go out and buy one because I'm a really annoying colour at the moment. I'm not my summer shade anymore, but I'm not quite my winter shade. So I know that if I buy a foundation now, I'm only going to be able to wear it for like 2 weeks or something. But I'm going to go in with my everyday CC cream. So I'm going to use Charlotte's Magic Away Liquid Concealer in the shade 5 Medium, and it's got this gorgeous little sponge on the top, which is so soft. So I'm just going to place a bit of this underneath my eye area. So Charlotte is all about glowy, natural looking skin, kind of like flawless skin, but glam eyes. So that is the look that I'm going to try and go for today. Oh, I like this concealer, you know. Blends out really nicely. It's lightweight. I would say that it's medium coverage. I'd say that this is a good one to use if you like that kind of natural look, because it is blending in really well, but it's not 100% covering my dark circles, which I don't mind. I don't mind if they show through every so often, because when I use concealers that completely cover my dark circles, they're really intense and it takes that kind of glowiness out of your skin. Your skin then looks like you're wearing makeup and not completely natural. So sometimes if I'm going for an everyday kind of glowy natural look, which I do tend to do on the daily, I don't mind it if my circles show through a little bit. I have mentioned that before. I've just chucked my hair over the other side because, you know, she was getting on my nerves. Next up, this wasn't in the package, but I am going to use my Hollywood Flawless filter because I use this all the time. I love it. I use the shade 3. This is my summer shade. I bought it this summer, but this does still work for me. And you can use this underneath your foundation. You can use it over, but I kind of use it kind of in place of a highlighter, and I just kind of blend that in with a brush, but it gives your skin the most amazing luminous glow, and because it's a liquid product, it just looks so natural. Okay, so I have the Magic Powder, which is a loose powder, and I have the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, which is obviously a pressed powder. I think because this is quite a natural skin look, I'm gonna go for the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Oh, don't you just love a new powder? So this is a skin perfecting micro powder, and ooh, quite a lot comes up there. I'm just gonna place this underneath my eyes. This is so fine. That is lovely. If I was going for a more heavy makeup look, like full glam, I would use the loose powder, just because loose powder tends to set heavier base products better in my opinion. But for a light everyday look, this is gorgeous. It literally makes my skin just look really kind of even. It mattifies it without kind of taking the glow out. I really love this. I love it so much. Next I'm going to use the Film Star Bronze and Glow. Can we just take a moment for the actual outer packaging? Even that is absolutely stunning. I love the way it opens out. Everything about this is just so luxurious. Look at this. Her packaging is so beautiful. So shall we go in with the Sculpt shade? Ooh, okay. That's quite warm toned. I usually go for quite a cool toned contour, but I really like this. It really blends out so well. It's such a gorgeous colour. It's not too warm. It really just looks like the natural contour of my face, but better. Everything about these products is basically making my skin look better than it actually is while still looking really natural, which I love. I'm gonna go in with the highlight shade now, which I'm so excited about. I think this is gonna sit so nicely on top of the Hollywood Flawless filter. That's very natural. That literally looks like a lit from within glow. I don't actually have any products like this in my collection. I've got my Glossier products, which are very natural looking, and then I've got just, you know, normal makeup, whereas I feel like this makeup, it really covers and blurs out imperfections, but it also really looks natural, but natural in a way that looks absolutely flawless. I'm really into this look. So for our eyes, we're going to use one of Charlotte's eyeshadow quads. I am so excited about this because these are something that I have lusted after for ages. She has the most stunning and complementary shades in her palette. So this palette is the Dolce Vita palette. How perfect is this for this time of year? So what I love about these is that you get a prime shade. Hang on, it says on the back. So you get prime, pop, enhance and smoke. So I think we're gonna follow the steps and do what Charlotte recommends. So the prime shade is just like a gorgeous pale champagne-y shade, which looks super pretty. Again, very natural looking. Like, it's not your skin because it's so perfect, but like it almost could be. So I'm gonna pop a little bit of the enhanced shade, which is a beautiful brownish red, into my crease. This isn't matte, but it's not shimmery either. It's kind of like a satin finish. Do you know what? For a dark shade, this is blending out so well. Usually with dark shades, I have to blend and blend, but this is one of those palettes where the actual product is so good that it does the work for you. So if you're not actually a pro at makeup, not that I'm a pro at makeup, but if you're not someone who is well practiced in makeup, then I would definitely recommend checking these palettes out because, like I said, they just kind of do the work for you. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the smoke shade into the very kind of corner of my crease, just in that outer V, just to intensify that. With this, you are getting such amazing quality. I think it is so worth the price, and if you are one of these people who wants to have one eyeshadow palette that is just your go-to, I would check out her palettes. I'm gonna use the Feline Flick felt tip liner. Bear with me while I don't breathe for about 5 minutes while I do this. So this felt tip liner is super easy to use. The nib is very fine at the end and it's also quite stiff, which makes it really easy to get a super precise line. I will say that if there was something that I was personally going to spend my money on from Charlotte Tilbury, it wouldn't necessarily be a felt tip liner. I do think there are drugstore alternatives, but saying that, it is a really great liner, but liner is just not where I would personally choose to spend my money. I'm also going to pop on a little bit of the classic eye powder pencil, and this is in the shade The Sophia, which is a beautiful kind of, I don't know if you're going to be able, ooh, it's a very soft pencil. Whoops, I went in a little bit too hard there, slightly heartbroken at that. The end of the pencil came off. Basically that is a gorgeous dark brown eyeliner, but it's, I don't know, there's a little bit of a shimmer in there. This is so soft though, which makes me think it would blend out amazingly. I wish I hadn't gone in so hard there. This is gorgeous and so natural looking. It just lines my waterline, but it's not harsh. It does blend really nicely. I did put a little bit kind of here on my lower lash line, and it blends really nicely. Again though, a liner is not something where I would personally choose to spend my money, but saying that, if it's where you would choose to spend your money, I have absolutely no bad things to say about this. It is a great liner. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to use the Full Fat Lashes mascara, and this, ooh, I like that one. Okay, so straight off the bat, this is very lengthening. I always feel like, I've said this before, but you can never tell a mascara's true potential on its first wear. It'll always just be thinner than it will when you've used it a couple of times. Oh no, I've smudged. Whoops. It is very lengthening, it separates, it doesn't add a whole load of volume. It is quite natural looking. I quite like that. I don't know if I would choose to wear this mascara with a smoky eye because it is quite natural looking, but I would definitely wear this day to day if I was wearing a more natural eye, and just with a cat flick if I was wearing the flick on its own. Do you know what? I take it back. I've put on another coat of this and it has really thickened my lashes out. I love it with this look, and it's really lengthened them. Okay, so for lips, I've got a few options. I do have Bond Girl, which I'm going to show you the one that I already have because they did send me over another one, and I feel like they might have sent me that over because I rave about this. Like, this is my favorite lipstick for autumn time. I've worn it in so many videos. It is my go-to date lipstick at this time of year. Amazing Grace is my go-to summer / springtime date lipstick. What I do is I put a little bit of Bond Girl lip liner on, and then I just tap this onto my lips to give them a really like natural berry shade, and then I'll put a little bit of lip balm on to give my lips a little bit of kind of like a gloss, but not glossy, if you know what I mean. But I love this on its own as well. It's just such a gorgeous autumnal brownish reddish but rosy shade, and this is one of the Matte Revolution lipsticks. I'm not going to wear this one today, we're going to try a new one today. So we also have one of the Matte Revolution Hot Lips lipsticks in Karina's Love, which is this stunning red shade. I actually have one of these lipsticks on my Christmas list. It's the Kim KW one, which is a gorgeous nude. This is stunning. You guys know red is my shade. It's just my go-to, but I'm not going to wear it today with this smoky eye, but I'm very excited about this. It's such a beautiful shade. And then we have one of her kissing lipsticks in the shade Penelope Pink, which is the kind of shade that I am drawn to at the moment. I am loving my nudes at the moment. I've branched out into peachy nudes. I know, who would have thought it would happen? I was all about those pinky nudes, but I am loving a peachy nude at the moment, so this could go very well with this eye. Oh, do you know what else I have though? I've got Pillow Talk. This is like, I think this is Charlotte's most popular lipstick. I think we might have to go for this. This is such a me shade as well. This is the kind of pinky nude that I'm always gravitating towards. It is so stunning, and I love her Matte Revolution lipsticks. They're my favorite formula of matte lipstick because they're not drying at all and they sit so comfortably on the lips. We also have the Kissing lipstick in Bitch Perfect, which is a stunning peachy shade. How beautiful is this gonna look in summertime? I'm so excited to wear this. This would go gorgeous with this look as well. So I have two of her Lip Cheat lip liners. I've got the shade Pillow Talk and I've got Iconic Nude. I love these lip liners. I haven't tried these particular shades yet, but I wear my Bond Girl lip liner all the time. I also wear Crazy in Love, which is very similar to Bond Girl. These are amazing if you like overlining your lips. They have such a gorgeous creamy formula. They apply so nicely, but they're matte. They don't have any shine. So I'm gonna go in with the Pillow Talk lip liner and lipstick. I've been after this lip combo for ages and I just haven't got round to picking it up, so I'm so happy to have it in my life. This is I know that people say, probably shouldn't talk while I'm doing this, I know people say that this is the perfect Your Lips But Better colour. It literally is. It's pretty much blending into my own lip colour. Guys, I've just found my new go-to lip liner for when I'm wearing a pinky nude. This is amazing. I've overlined my lips and you cannot tell. Let's see what the lipstick's like. I'm so excited. I know a lot of people say that this is their go-to date colour. Wow, that shade is stunning. I am super impressed. I love this lipstick so much. You guys know I'm a lipstick fiend. So overall, I love these products. I especially love the skin product. I love the Hollywood Flawless Filter. That's a bit of a cheat because it wasn't a new product that I was testing out, but I would 100% recommend it. I would 100% recommend this lip combo. I am obsessed. The eyeshadow palette I loved, and the Film Star Bronze and Glow palette. It just adds the most beautiful radiant glow while sculpting out your face in the most natural looking way. I'm so happy. So Charlotte Tilbury is one of my favorite makeup brands. I love her products so much. The quality is really there. I would love it if you would let me know down below in the comments if you have any staple, holy grail, go-to Charlotte Tilbury products that I haven't tried, because I'd love to try them out and I just love to know what you like using as well. If you're interested in knowing what makeup products I'm loving, I'm always posting my makeup looks on Instagram, so be sure to follow me on there and be sure to give the video a cheeky little thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.